in the city right now. That clip you seen before this is actually from like a week or two ago. And what happened is I didn't have a lot of footage of that stuff, so I just stuck it in this video at the beginning so y'all can check it out, and then y'all can see what I did the other night. But anyway, today I got a couple errands to run. You know what I'm saying? Shit, and you know. But I got a couple errands to run, so I'm just finna, you know, y'all gonna come with me, and we gonna run these errands real quick. Gotta make a couple stops. Tomorrow's Thursday, and I'll be coming to Dallas, so I'm getting ready for that. So anyway,
Dallas face out.
So anyway, yeah. So that's what we finna do. And this guy right here, I got this guy with me. Anyway, that's what we finna do. But yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in a minute when we get to our first stop. So y'all, I had to come get an oil change, my first oil change already. Now, I was gonna go to Dodge, but I was like, let's save a little bit of money. So it was a little bit cheaper to come here. So that's what I did. But yeah, so this is our first stop. I gotta see where else I gotta go. I gotta go to one of my cousin cribs. Gotta pick up a package because I got a new mod that came in for the car. Yeah, I gotta go get that. So I think I'm gonna go get that next. And I don't know. I think I got one more thing to do after that. But anyway, y'all, they should be almost done with the oil change. I had to give me some food. I hadn't eaten all day. My goddamn head was hurting. So, but anyway, so I went and got me some Wendy's real quick. But anywho, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute when they get done. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all. What's up, y'all? I'm back. Yeah, so this is the package that came in the mail. Just so y'all know, I did get a package. I was trying to figure out, do I want to tell y'all what it is? I don't know. Comment down below if you think you know what it is. But I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna tell y'all. I think I'm gonna make y'all wait till it's time to put it on. So I'm gonna make y'all wait. Comment down below. Tell me what you think it might be. It's not it's real light. You know what I'm saying? It's real light. It ain't nothing too crazy. It's something simple. But let me know what you guess. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna end the video right here. It's kind of a little short day, but it gets better. I got y'all for sure. As you can see, it got dark on me, so yeah, it ain't really too much more I can do. I'm finna go get some rest though, cause actually tomorrow we drive to Dallas for the big showdown event. So stay tuned for them videos. And yeah, so I'm finna go get some sleep because I'm tired. I've been up all day. I drove from Florida, and yeah, so I'm tired. I'm finna go get some rest, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Alright, y'all. Peace.